Invasive species are one of the biggest threats to forest health globally, and they cost taxpayers more than $100 billion every year in resources to control their impacts and stop their spread. One of those invasive species is the Callery pear, which is a wild version of the frequently planted Bradford pear. Our objectives are to measure the environmental impacts of this invasive tree on insects and wildlife.
We're doing that by measuring the tree's annual spread, surveying insects in the canopy, stem, and leaf litter, and using citizen science data to look at wildlife and habitats invaded by Callery pear. To measure annual spread, we first work backwards. Jess is measuring the diameter of these Callery pear trees, from which we can estimate an age. From those ages, we can work backwards to determine how quickly Callery pear is taking over the area. We will also set up transects to follow over the next few years to validate those spread predictions.
To survey insects in the canopy, we use what's called a beat sheet to do just that, beat branches against the sheet. Insects and spiders fall out of the canopy onto the sheet and we snatch them up to put them in preservative. To survey insects in the twig and stem, we cut twigs from several trees and place them in these buckets. Over time, insects in the wood emerge and we can identify them. To survey leaf litter, we use these litter sifters to shake out the insects that live in the leaf litter. Then we put the samples into the Berlese funnel and the insects move away from the warm light and into preservative.
We hope to learn how the invasion of Callery pear is impacting native plants and animals. This research fits directly into the REX mission by conducting research focused on environmental issues that affect all of South Carolina's citizens, as well as the regional, national, and global population. Growers constantly deal with invasive plants, and this research directly benefits them as well as the public by providing evidence for management of these invasive plants.